Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you, this is a part 2 video. So we have a case, it's a 2011 case SR220 rubber tired skid steer loader with 406 hours. It was bought new with this package set up right here. The Backhoe virtually has hardly any runtime on it. I doubt there's 10 hours on it. 405 original hours. Machine is in very nice condition. We did just put brand new tires on it, which we've covered that in our part 1 video. It is a cab heat, 2-speed ride control. This has a non-emissions engine in it. But the main purpose of this video today is we're going to show you this Bradco backhoe attachment. This is being sold as a package only. Bradco 509 with an 18-inch bucket, has Bradco's mechanical thumb on it. Street pads right here on it, the rubber street pads for it are here. This is probably one of the nicest backhoes I've had used in a long time. These are like all about $18,000. You can't even get them anymore. Very expensive backhoe. It has the right mounting group for the case. It is complete. Everything operates the way it's supposed to. We're going to operate it here for you, show you everything works. As we illustrated in the pictures, there is a couple spots here on pits on this cylinder, and there's a couple pits up here on the crowd cylinder. Other than that, there's no oil leaks currently at all. It is a very, very nice backhoe attachment, and we're going to go ahead and run it here for you. So what I'm going to do on the case, you will hop in here. Case skid steer has kind of a sequence. You're going to go ahead and push your power button on, then you're going to push your start button. Start button is going to start it, then you pull down your seat bar, okay? We are going to go ahead and push the operate button. We're going to take and pull our auxiliaries into the lock position. Then you're going to press and hold the override button here in the dash for it to kick on for the auxiliary hydraulic override to run the backhoe attachment. And it takes a second there for it to lock on. There again, it is now locked on. I'm going to go ahead and put the lap bar up. It's going to allow the hydraulics to stay engaged in the machine. Fold the seat down. We're going to give it a touch of throttle here. You don't need a whole lot. Matt, you want to show them those pits there on that chrome rod? So there is pits right there. And we're going to go ahead and set this down where Matt can get to it with the camera. See there on the dipper cylinder, some pits there. And it must have just come, we are a Bradco dealer. I've had some of these do that. So this is a 509, these are a 9-foot digging depth backhoe. You can see I'm picking the machine up. One thing about the Bradco backhoe attachment on a skid steer, they were extremely smooth as far as operation. These were a real backhoe attachment. The same backhoe, actually. They make subframe kits for them to go on tractor loaders. These were a very much so commercial use backhoe. Bradco made a good quality product. This is a very nice setup here. If you are somebody that needs something where you can use this a few times a year, or if you're into just little perk holes and different things on this skid loader, here's a, truthfully, like a one-time package, skid steer, backhoe, everything ready to go. The biggest deal with this is it has the factory mounts with it. This backhoe, again, it has virtually no runtime on it. It is a light-duty backhoe other than we've illustrated those couple things on the rods. And everybody will make that out to be some big deal that it's not. I mean, I have cylinders on my own stuff that has some pits. All the locking stuff works. The swing lock works. Generally, that stuff doesn't. Now, we're going to take this video one step further, something I didn't plan on doing. We're going to go ahead and do it. So, now we want to disable this. We're going to go ahead and shut the auxiliaries off, okay? We're going to go ahead and shut the override switch off, all right? So, as simple as that, we can come down here. We're going to go ahead right here on this block valve. We're going to shove in. That's going to release that coupler. We're going to shove in. It's going to release the pressure on that coupler. Okay? We're going to take our hoses. We're going to go ahead and get them up out of the road. just like that. We did put brand new flat face couplers on them just because the gentleman must have left them lay down on the dirt. What we'll do then, fairly simple, hop back in the machine. We're going to push our press to operate button. We're going to take pressure off the loader. We will then go ahead, flip these two handles forward. Those are your latches. Push the bar back down. We'll go ahead and release the machine. And all we are going to do is pick up just a little bit. We are going to take curl forward. Again, I'm going to just jump out. All we'll do at this point, clear your hoses right here. That is unhooked. Come to the other side. We are going to go ahead, pull that quick release up. And we're going to go ahead and back away from the unit. So, that was my fault, you had the boom clear down. So that's all there is to hooking up that backhoe. You will repeat this process. So, basically to do that, you're going to come back in, curl back up. I want everybody to see that. You're just going to go right around those pins again. That's all you are going to do, okay? That's as simple as it gets. And you see what it's doing. It's just locking into the jaws. That's all there is to that. Well, that is our Part 2 series on a Bradco 509 backhoe attachment that is for sale with this skid steer. Again, this is being sold as a total complete package. Skid steer, 72-inch factory case bucket, Bradco 509 backhoe. The door to the skid steer is over there. The door will have to be removed around the backhoe. And a 406-hour SR220 case. Very nice, clean machine. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. We'll be glad to help in any way that we can. If you want to come by and see us yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. Thank you very much, as always, for checking out Mark's Supply Company. We can be reached at 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much. Have a great day.